Welcome. Today, question number 42. See, before I start the question, one small information. Engineering Mechanics class 328. Earlier, part 5, lecture 11. So that is around 10-12 class earlier. We solved question 13 and 14. See, 13 was fully solved with multiple loads, so many loads. 14 was a simple question. That question was, I will put somewhere here, see, that question is, see, something like this. Same as this question, see, instead of going this side, it was going this side, see, this way. It was this way. This way, hinge roller is this side, load here, load here, load here, load here, load here, load here. So many loads are there. This question is solved. One question, this was for method of joints. We fully solved it. Then, that is question number 13. Question 14 was same question, just one load, that's all. That is how usually questions will come if you write examination. Just one load there. Not this much of loads. But this much of loads is to get a solid grip. See, when you learn or study, you should always study problems where more loads are there or more coverage is there. Not simply a simple question. Those simple questions non-stop, little later, I'll give exercise for you. This is not fully clear. 1 meter, 18 kilonewton. Okay. I don't know why it is not writing properly. Okay. 18 kilonewton. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now, this I will remove. I first thought, let me put the same question we solved by method of joint here and solve method of section. Then I decided, no. See, that time, see, it was leaning that side. Now it is leaning this side. Okay, one more question, what is there? So that those who are serious, they can solve more questions. So, find axial forces in members, see, EC, see here, EC, FC and FD. These three members, see, this way cut all not possible because see, if you cut this way all more than 3, this question with only 3 unknowns, only 2 questions possible. One cut like this, one cut like this, that's all. See, this way cut all will not come. See, if I cut this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. So here anywhere. Now, before I proceed further, one small information for you. In the title I will write, see, this looks a little bigger, but see here, how easy. So, in the title I will write, those who find difficulty, something like that, difficulty for method of sections, considering all the tough questions. See, I am dictating now. So many questions, perpendicular here, that one, then mix up all. This is the best question to start. Why? Even though it looks a bigger frame, when you come to method of section, see, simple it comes. It is very advantage. It comes simple. Therefore, this is the best question for a beginner, or if those who get confusion in other problems solve, best this question. Concept will be more clear, then do those questions. Okay. Now, remember, time has come, or we reach a stage where I should not repeat unnecessary things which are everyday told. So, I told already. So many places I will tell briefly, dictate. You should know it. See, class, calculation of support reaction. Before that I will tell you one more thing now. See, one more thing you make a note. Okay, better. You put this rough sketch here and tell. See, make a note. They want forces in, see, this member, this member, this member. Make a note here. Suppose you cut like this and look upper side, support reactions are not required. See, here. See, support reactions are not required. I will tell here now. See, look this side. So why you want to add support? See, only this much will come. But same cut, if you look this side, little bigger it becomes. No, see this section better look upper side only. Why? So easy. Don't look that side. But in the class, I will go for option 2 also. Why? To get more grip. To get more grip, I will go to option 2 also. But otherwise, look upper side is better. Okay, now next. Another question here is same question. AC, CA or AC, BC and CD. See, make it out here. Cut here. Cut here. Now, if you look upper side, see, 3 unknowns are there. Forces are little more. Okay, no problem. Moments are direct. Or, again, if you look upper side, we should make a note. Support reactions are not required. See here, not required. Advantage. But, see, when you want support reaction, you have to find moment of all these loads. That time you can save. Or, if you look this side, see here, simple, of course, these then, see, support reactions will come. So, in both the questions, see, one question is cutting, see, you write here, cutting upper side 3, see, EC, FC and FD. For that cut, look upper side, support reaction not required, but look lower side, support reaction required. Second question is CA, BC and BD. There also you cut. Look upper side, support reaction not required, but lower side, support reaction required. Okay, then write. But in the class, when I am covering the question, I am considering both sides. See, option 1, option 2. My purpose is to give complete education. Therefore, in the class, he is finding support reaction. But if you feel support reaction not required, in examination solve, don't calculate. Okay, start. Now, calculation of support reaction. See, A, hinges, A is, see correctly, you should write here, A is a roller support. Be careful. Otherwise, what happens is, usually people get the feeling, A is hinged support. No. A is roller support. See, roller support. You write here, for which reaction is perpendicular to plane of roller, the reaction at A, RA, since the roller is horizontal plane, it is this way, vertical, it is VA, we will consider upward. See here, VA upward. Then B is hinged support, vertical reaction, horizontal reaction. We will take vertically up, horizontally right side. I am so sure that vertical their reaction is downward there. I know it because of all this loading all. See, there's because of this loading, see, the frame will go this way. When the frame goes this way, that side gets lifted up. So reaction comes down. But that all I can make out. But what about you? So many people will be there. Sir, that's all difficult, sir. Okay, no problem. Take upwards and right side. Later, sign will tell correct or not. Okay. Therefore, you write all these and prepare the sketch. See, enter all little bigger sketch. And remember now, this sketch is what? I told already, this sketch is your, I put red color. This is your reference for method of sections. This is the reference for method of sections. Okay. Now, enter everything, name the points, mark VA, mark VB, HB, and see, there is one load here. Long back in one question, I have given a load in the roller. When I do the problem, I forgot to consider that load, forgot to write. Answer was not tallying. There was a difference of 5 coming. Then when I look clear, I corrected it. Okay, now see. Correctly see now what to do. A has only one unknown. B is at B, 2 unknown. I told from beginning of the subject, when you apply sigma m equal to 0, always take moment about the point where unknowns are more. Therefore, this question, moment about B. See, where is here? moment about B. Why B? I told class just now. Class. Okay, start. I am not going to write here anything. I am dictating. Listen properly. Finger should be at B. Okay. Clockwise positive. VA, see, again I am telling, vertical load into horizontal distance, horizontal load into vertical distance. If inclined load is there, if you don't resolve, perpendicular distance. Okay, start. Moment about this point. Finger should be here. VA, I forgot right here something. See, you have to write this dimension. How much it is? This is 2.5 meter. I forgot, right? 2.5 meter. Here, this also, there is no place to write here. This also is 2.5 meter. Okay, 2.5 meter. Height is, this is 3, given here, 3.2. This also 3.2. Okay, now, take moment about B. Plus VA into 2.5. HB and VB 0. Even 5 also into 0. Don't write. 18 into 3.2. Clockwise. Plus 4 into 6.4. Again clockwise. Plus 10 into 2.5 plus another 2.5. 5. Anti-clockwise. 12 into 2.5. Anti-clockwise. 20 into 6.4. Anti-clockwise. Whenever anti-clockwise is there, put a minus sign. 15 into 0. Why? See, 15 line passes here. Lastly, 6 into 3.2 clockwise equal to 0. If you take moment about B, you will get the value of not reaction here. See, when you take moment about B, this into 0, you will get the VA value. Where is the answer? Plus 42.24 will come. Okay, then make sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. Plus VA plus VB plus VA plus VB. 1 minute. Okay. Minus 10, minus 12. Be careful here. Plus 15 equal to 0. Where VA comes, substitute VA plus 42.24. Your VB will come minus 35.24. Okay. Then sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. Plus HB minus 5 plus 18 plus 6 minus 20 plus 4 equal to 0. Your HB will come minus 3 kilonewton. Okay. Then also in the sketch, 3 inclined members are there. See here, inclined. Now this is same line. See, if this angle is theta, this also theta only. I should not tell it first of all. This also theta. And then one more thing here. These two are parallel, or see, for this member 3.2 and 2.5. Even for this member also vertical 3.2, horizontal 2.5. So all these 3 angles are same. If it is not same, therefore theta. If they are not same in some question, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Okay, now see anywhere see, tan theta equal to 3.2 by 2.5. Using that one, get the value of theta. It comes to 52.001 degrees. Then I decided 52.001. So who will write every time? See, space also when I substitute here, everywhere I would write 52.001. See, point angle actually second decimal sufficient. I am for accuracy going for third decimal. 0.001 you can sacrifice. So I will do one thing. Instead of 0.001, I will take 52 degree. Feeling tired. You should understand me. Okay. Therefore, slight difference will come. See here. Slight difference. See, somewhere. Minor 691, 689, or here 6 later when you check it 679 or 677. That means minor, very small difference can come. That you are not bothered. Okay, now theta also is over. Now prepare a neat sketch here. See, this sketch you require 4 times. You write this way and take 3 Xerox. Why not 4 Xerox? One is already here. Why you want Xerox it? One is already there. Then when I change to option 2, 1 minute. No. Option 2 also only one Xerox required. Only one Xerox. See, when I want forces in member, these 3 members, I will show a cut here. Okay. That is one Xerox. Okay. This sketch only will do. Okay. But later, when I cut here, that cut, you should not see it. Therefore, in the Xerox copy, attach there, in this place, attach there, show this cut. Or write, if you are that much serious, write it. Okay, now, see, I will tell one thing now. I do not want to waste time everywhere, now onwards. Later, when I consider the sketches there, see, these all 4 I will consider. Then, where VA comes, see, red color, but I will enter black color. Why? It is already known. So, when the time comes for VA entry, VA is assumed upward, positive came. So, if I want to mark this VA, I will mark it VA in upward direction 42.24. No plus, no minus. Okay, then VB, I assumed vertically up. But when I solved, VB came minus 35.24. Some people will write here, see, that is down. No, mathematical blunder. With the minus sign, don't write minus down. Nonsense it is. Okay. So we got minus sign. So later in any sketch, if I have to mark VB, I assumed upward, negative sign came. So I will write VB in downward, black color, downward direction, but equal to 35.24. No minus then. Same way, HB, I took to right side. But answer came minus 3. So when I consider HB for any calculation later, I will not take right side, I will take it left side by 3 kilonewton, no minus. This I will not tell every time now. I told. Okay, now start. Again, this class is actually for method of section, it is for beginners. Okay, now. 1. Calculation of axial forces in members. Which one they want? EC, see the question there, EC, FC and ED by method of section, heading. This is the heading you are doing, question number 1. Okay, like this. This is what you are doing now. Okay, that I will not underline because that I require space by method of section. Okay, now, what you do? Consider a section XX cutting above 3 member. In this sketch, red cut, see. XX. Horizontally you can cut, no problem. Cut XX. Then, class, I will dictate something here. Write it. We have to consider equilibrium to any one side of XX, either upper side or lower side. It is very easy to consider upper side. See the advantage. A small sketch, first of all, see. And also, support reactions are not required. Suppose exam question is only to find these 3, you cut here, look upper side, this angle required, you need not calculate support reactions. Okay. Look upper side. See now. E intact, F intact. Length 2.5. 10 and 4, I wrote here. 12 and 20, I wrote that one. Then, when you cut here, upper side we are considering. Other side, you should put external forces acting on this side. That is the real concept. Some people will tell, you show the internal forces. They will tell, see, these are all external. They will tell, these are internal. No. Wrong concept. That is not the basic concept. See, when people, actually they write here only. They don't write outside here. They will write here. They will tell internal. I will tell them, sorry boss, you are wrong. Concept is concept. Technical point is technical point. These are all the external forces acting on this type of frame. These are also external forces acting on the upper side from lower side. From lower side. I will prove it in YouTube. 99% people get confusion or they are going for, see, 90, not 99, sorry. Very with the regret I will tell, 99.99%, especially when you go to shear pose and bending moment, they will do a cut here. See, then you get reaction here, this UDL here, but here you get the internal force. I will tell, boss, it is not internal, it is external. What do you mean by internal? Because that's how everybody will tell. So many outside country, foreign author books, so many, I don't want to comment actually. I don't know why that wrong concept came. 99.99% will tell that is internal. Then they will call shear force and bending moment are internal. One more nonsense. This all I will upload in the YouTube by eye opener. I will put something. Open your eyes, learn the subject, understand correct concept. What all you think so far, leave it. Start fresh. If you believe me, I hope you believe me. Okay. Classroom, I don't have to ask that way. Do you believe me like that? Okay. Over. See. Now, this all I told you, this side what? E to C, EC, all outgoing. FC, outgoing. FD, outgoing. I will tell one more thing now. Those who are beginners. When you take the force outgoing, see, anywhere you cut, if you consider outgoing, later when you go for, these are not axial forces, these are the external forces, remember. But if you consider outgoing, away from the, see, away from the joint, then when you consider it as an axial force, any force acting outward is tension. Any force acting inward is compression. See, when I solved here, I will tell you now, see, PEC, I will explain. I got minus 12.690. That means I told in my class method of section, I always take tension. Therefore, the tension, axial for tension. See, negative came for PEC. Negative means, don't try, see, negative means what? It is not tension. See, but people write here, that is compression. No, wrong. With the negative sign, it is tension only. What is this? I will tell them. Again, mathematical blunder. If you get a negative sign, see what I will write there. See, result lastly. Therefore, axial force in EC equal to negative sign came 12.690. What be it here? Space is not there. All are in kilonewton. That much compression. See, minus 12.690 is tension. 12, that means 12.690 compression. Next member, see. Which one? FC. Where is FC? Where is FC here? FC, where you got? Oh, it is not FC. FD and FD. Why FD once again? This is FC. Okay. I don't know why I put FD once again. This is FC. 1 minute. This is FC, correct? This is FC. Okay. Later. See. FC, which member it is? FC here. See. FC is, I got minus 42.479. I will write later 42.479 kilonewton compression, and FD, see here, FD, that is this member. I got a plus sign, so 38.678. I will put tension. Space is not there. Usually not tension, tensile. C means compressive. Okay. This already I explained now. Now I won't explain once again. Now see here. Now this is the equilibrium. Now since I told this class is also for beginners, why? Simple question. Now, once you write all, see, you should study everything earlier, not directly this question, introduction for method of sections, examples, everything you study. Then you will be master in this one, see. Now, this is a coplanar force system, not concurrent. In method of joint, you consider concurrent force system, only two conditions, sigma V and sigma H. Sigma M is not applicable, but in method of section, we are considering coplanar force system. So, three equilibrium conditions are available, sigma H0, sigma V0, sigma M0, but when you apply reverse order, sigma M0 first, see first sigma M0, then I will apply sigma V0, then sigma H0. Reverse order is always better. This I maintain throughout my teaching. When you take sigma M0, I told class after class after class, see the three unknowns here. Three unknowns. See which point two unknowns are meeting. Yes sir, here. See, at the point F, PFD, PFC meeting. Since among the three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting here, take moment about F. See, solid dot here. Okay. Take moment about, where is it here? Where I wrote? Here, see. Sigma M about F0. Why F? I told in the class. Put the finger at F. Make a note. When you take moment about F, PFD into 0, PFC also into 0, 20 into 0, 12 into 0, even this 4kn also into 0. Why? All those forces are passing through F. Only forces are 10 and PESC. See, PEC is inclined force. So what you require? Inclined force means, I will 1 minute now. This angle I put here, 52 degrees. It is eating the space, 52 degrees. Okay, this is E. Shall I put E here, if you don't mind? If you mind also, I write here only, E. Okay. Now, make a note here. What? Once again, some will tell, sir, how many times? Vertical force into horizontal distance. Horizontal force into vertical distance. Inclined force into perpendicular distance. Here, perpendicular is very easy to get. Therefore, you can mark a perpendicular. But still, there are so many people who don't like it. So those people, you write here, those people who do not like that perpendicular concept, what you do is, moment of PEC you require, see a point, a known point where this force is passing. Where? Sir, E. At that point, resolve this force. If you resolve this force, see, horizontal component, green color, this way, vertical component, this way. This is cos, this is sine. So, this component is PEC into cos 52. This component is PEC into sine 52. Okay, now take moment here. See. PEC into cos 52, once again, will pass through this point, 0. See, no moment. That horizontal component has no moment, but PEC sine 52 is this way into 2.5 anti-clockwise. Again minus 10 into 2.5 equal to 0. You will get the value of PEC. I wrote the answer. See, this you have to do it. High school mathematics. Okay, now make a note here after this one. Or, see, those people who do not like that inclined concept, this resolution are technically, see, or it is class. See, resolution, if you don't like, suppose resolution is not required. Other approach is, when you write sigma m about F0, from F, you drop a perpendicular here, see, to this line of action, light line, without disturbing perpendicular H. Now see here, see this triangle. See this triangle. Here, sine 52, I write here now. Sine 52 equal to H divided by 2.5. Then your H will come. Where is H here? Where I wrote H? Where I wrote H here? I got some H value. Okay, I did not write it. I'll calculate. Somewhere I noted the H value. No. Okay, no problem. H will come 2.5. Sorry, calculator is not on. 2.5 into sine 52. 1.9700 meter. Correct? 2.5 into sine 52. Yes, 1.97. That's all. 9700. Leave it. 1.97. Okay. 00 meter. 00 meter. Now, then, see, then, when you see right here, in that time, when you make sigma m about f equal to 0, how you write here then? See, minus PEC into H minus 10 into 2.5 equal to 0. Substitute that H, whatever you got. How much it is? 1 point, where is it? Where is it? Here, 1.97. Substitute, you will get PEC equal to 10 into 2.5 divided by 1.97. 12.690 kilonewton minus. Oh, same answer. So, if you do resolution, this is not required. If you do resolution, this H is not required. If you mark H, resolution is not required. Next time onwards, I will not tell. Again, there is a limit. Okay, over. Now, once this is over, see, I'll take a black color pen here. We got the value of PEC. Right mark means under a pencil mark you can make. You make a pencil mark here. PEC is known. Okay, now, sigma V equal to 0. Unknown first. Minus PFC minus PFD sine 52 minus PEC sine 52 minus 10 minus 12 equal to 0. See, PEC is known. You write here, but these two are both are unknowns. So you get equation number 1 in terms of these two. See, here you have to substitute how much? Whatever value you got. Minus 12.690. Don't substitute now. Now, sigma H0. Take right side positive. PFC will not come. Plus P unknown first. Plus PFD cos 52. Plus PEC cos 52. Plus 4 minus 20 equal to 0. You know the value of which one? We know the value of PEC. Substitute. You substitute P. That all you should do it. See, in the beginning few classes, I used to write there substituting PEC equal to minus 12.69. Now someone will tell, sir, why you are not writing all these things? What? I am practicing or you are practicing? I am learning or you are learning? What I am doing? They will tell, sir, you are teaching. What you are doing? Learning. These substitutions, who should do it? Sir, we should do it. Then why you are asking me? So, see, there is, when you teach something, something should be there for the person who is studying. I cannot give spoon feeding like this. Each and every class. Okay, then write here. Algebraic sum of moment. Oh, what is this? Every time write each and everything. Then again write resolution. When a force is inclined, if the force makes angle theta with horizontal, then horizontal component is cos theta, force into cos theta, vertical side. Then if the force is like this, components are like this. If the force is this way, components this way all. How many times over in engineering mechanics, you reach a stage where all those things, you should have complete grip on that one. Okay. Now, you know the value of what? PEC, substitute, you get PFD. You got the answer. Now, once you get PFD, see here, now you know PFD also, substitute in equation number 1, these two are known, you get the value of PFC. Then write the final result here. I already explained, see, negative came, so that numerical value compression, positive came, that numerical value, no sign, tension, negative came, this numerical value, compression. Don't write minus compression, mathematical blunder. Okay, result over. Now I'll do one thing. I'll go for, one thing forgotten. One thing forgotten. Okay, see now, before I go further, one thing forgotten. Wait, see. Make a note, class. I will dictate something now. In a paper you write it. you write in a separate paper. See, this one you write in a separate paper. Attach it. You write in a separate paper. Separate paper and attach it. There, right here. This question is for method of sections, not for method of joints. Method of joint already over. Still, for me or for us means you, to get more and more thorough knowledge, earlier this question, the frame was leaning to right side, now the frame is leaning to left side. Let me also solve this question by method of joint. So what I will do now is, I will in front of you only, I will solve by method of joint. See, then this will become your star sketch. See, I told you, this will become your star sketch. I entered the reaction, see, downward all I entered here. Angles all entered. What I will do, I will red color, why? Entry is red entry. See now, I will put the black color there. Okay. This pen and only calculator. I will stand here, correctly look, and you cannot see because I can't see, I can't stand here. I can't turn this way. You don't bother. I will come here and enter all the result here. There, see, force in EC has to come 12.690 kilonewton compression. Force in FC, where is FC? Here, has to come 42.479 compression. Force in this member has to come 38.678 tension. Anyway, but when I solve here, I am not seeing here. Maybe 12.691, that's okay, because why? Approximations are there. See, you may get 0.001 difference. So I will do one thing now. I will do it in front of you only. Just a minute. I will take some little rest and come back. Not stop talking for half an hour. I need some rest. Okay, now I will solve a method of joints. Only red color. Oh, the mic is giving problem. Okay. .690. See, I am dictating here. All values are in kilonewton. Why waste energy? .813. Then 38.679 tension. Where to write now? Where to write here? Okay, kilonewton. Please go that side. Please go that side. Okay. How much? 38.679. And this force. .479. Then this joint. Both are okay. Sigma V, sigma H. 17.813. Left or right? 17.813 and vertically down. 38.679, 17.813 is not required, 15. .479. Lastly, this joint. first inclined force. 17, 18. Both are this way. $12.994. Now, vertical component. 12.690, 12.994, 42.479. $42.24 up. This member force 5. Okay. I'll check the values here. Okay, over. If I check the values here, just for confirmation, 12.994 into sine 52, that one into minus, so what is calculator doing? 12.994 into sine 52. If I do fast, something wrong will come, into minus 1 plus 45.479 is coming. 35.24. Yes. 12.994 into cos 52. That is coming 8. Oh, yes. 3 plus 5, 8, 8. Perfectly correct. Okay. Over. See, so easy. Some will tell students are easy for you, sir. What about us? Okay, now do one thing. Okay, checking answer. See now. Force in EC. What answer you got? EC member. We got 12.690 compression. Yes. Force in FC. 42.479 compression. Yes. Force in FD. 38.678 tension. Okay, 679, because that is method of joint. I did not see there. 679, 678. Perfectly correct. Okay, now I will change over to option 2. See here. Actually, remember, unwanted, only, see, class. I write here now. Now, he will solve option 2 for the same question, XX, for the same 3 members. Right. Majority of people, you can leave it, not required. See, already we got the answer. But for a thorough understanding, let us see what happens when you cut here. If you look downside, see, equilibrium not above, below XX. Below XX, you see. Okay. Then what will happen is, you should make a note here. If you cut here, see below XX, reactions are required. Okay. Now, consider option 2, consider equilibrium of the frame below XX. Now, saving time is important. I rub everything here. Then what? Everything I have to rub. Then afterwards, okay, 1 minute here. Okay. Everything to be rubbed. And then neatly writing. Time will take. I will, as usual, write and explain. Okay. Now, continue. I told, consider equilibrium to lower side. See, A, B, C, D intact. Force here. See, CE, CF and DF. This is all known for you. Mark all dimensions. Take moment about C. By C. See, now among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting here at C. Take moment about C. So if you take moment about C, PCF into 0, PCE into 0, 18 into 0, even 66 also into 0, even 42.24 also into 0. So remaining. See, again, here problem. Inclined force. So what to do? Those who find difficulty for perpendicular, see, this force you resolve into, here it's overlapping actually. Okay, one vertical component here and horizontal component. Cos, sine. Okay, see here. this force into cos theta will give this component into 0. This force into sin theta, this component into 2.5 anti-clockwise. Okay, written here. Then minus 15 into 2.5, 6 into 0, plus 3 into 3.2, plus 35.24 into 2.5, then 5 into 3.2 equal to 0. You will get PDF. Answer will come 38.680. See here, or make a note here. I will dictate now. You should write what all I am telling. If you do not want to resolve that force, see, you draw a perpendicular, not a big issue. See, draw a perpendicular here, H. See, this is perpendicular. See now. Then, instead of this sin and etc., this term will change over to minus PDF into H. How to get H? Sin 52 equal to H divided by 2.5. So get the value of H, substitute. This term will change, other will come same, 100% same answer. Okay. Sigma V0, sigma H0, I don't have to explain. See, sigma V, now PDF is known. Okay. Sigma V0, all three will come. See, I written sin as it is, sin, this force, and this force. Okay. Equation number 1. Sigma H0, cos, no, cos plus 18 plus 6 minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Sigma H0 will give you PCE minus 12.691. Now PCE is over. Substitute in the equation number 1, you get the value of PCF. Okay. Go to result. See. Force in, which one do you want? EC minus 12.691. We got 690 there. So if you solve this way, write 691. Minus means compression. Okay. Next, force in FC. I have not explained much because these are not required to explain. Waste of energy. Force for FC. The concept I will explain here. FC. Where is FC? Minus 42.480. 42.479. 480 compression. One more. 38.680 plus 380.678. 680 means 0.002 error because of rounding off. See, that 52 degree, 52.001 degree now counts it here. Okay. See, actually remember, looking below is not advantageous. Two drawbacks right here. First of all, huge calculation. One drawback. Second drawback, reactions required. So make a note here. Cutting here, looking upper side is the easiest solution. Why? Small part, one, second one, reactions not required. Okay. Now, over second question. See. Second question. Calculation of axial forces in members where AC, comma, BC and BD by method of section. Okay, see now. Once again, draw the sketch or use the Xerox copy. That Xerox you have taken, now attach here. So, consider section XX cutting above 3 members. So, these members. XX. Oh, now see. Class. Now, 50-50. Look upper side, big frame. Oh, lot of things are there. So, but advantage, see, look upper side, little bigger, see, bigger. So, little more calculation. But advantage, reactions are not required. Look lower side, small, easy, but reactions are required. So what I will do is, option 1, I will look upper side only. Why? For those who do not want to find reactions, okay, frame above XX. Above XX. Now I will write and explain. Again, time saving. option 1, I told we look upper side. Advantage is reactions not required. Disadvantage is little huge. See here, little huge. Okay. See, E, F, C, D are all intact. 3.2 all item. Then PCA, PCB, PDB, outward forces. Distance all, angles all known. Start. Now nothing. Now you should write. Among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting at the point C. So take moment about C. Okay, I will see it from here. See. Now no perpendicular required. Why? Vertical force. PDB into 2.5 clockwise. See there? Plus. Minus 15 into 2.5. If I tell minus means anti-clockwise. Then minus 20 into 3.2. See there? 12 into 0. Minus 10 into 2.5. Plus 4 into 3.2. That's all. Equal to 0. You get the value of PDB. I got 45.48 kilonewton. I calculated. I did not see the answer there. Sigma V0, upward positive. Now we got PDBs over. See. Now I will tick mark here. This is already known. Start from unknown. Minus PCA, minus PCB sin 52, minus PDB, plus this force, minus this force equal to 0. PDB is already known. Still, 2 more unknowns are there. Equation number 1. Sigma H0. See, these 2 will not come. Plus PCB cos plus 6, minus 20, plus 4, plus 18, 0. PCB will come. Minus 12.994. Once you get PCB, see here, PCB is known. Substitute in 1, you get PCA. Put the answer. Axial force in AC, 42.241. Answer we got by method of section. 42.241. Negative sign came. No sign now. Compression. Force in BC, 12.994 minus. So 12.994 compression. Force in BD, 45.48. 45.48 tension. Okay, check the answer now. Now see here. AC, 42.241. Yes, 42.24. Not 1. Okay. 12.994. Perfect. 45.48. 45.479. Accurate is 48 only. Okay. Over. Now, last part. I'll finish now only. Class. Now we'll go to other option. Option 2. Consider below XX. Make a note here. Advantage cutting below XX. 1 minute now. I'll explain. Where is that rubbing here? Over. Closing part now. Full I will remove. I am not writing. I am doing it here only. I don't want to pause, go back and come back like that. Single stretch. See. Cut here. Same section. Look below. Right here. Advantage. Small, not big one. See. But one drawback. Reactions are required. Okay. Start. AB intact. See here. AB intact. A is a roller support. Reaction VA upwards. We got a positive. So VA equal to 42.24 kilonewton. I am seeing there because I rubbed everything. Then one force is there of 5 kilonewton here. Should not forget. Then B, roller support, hinge support. We took VB upward, negative came. So down, this is B. VB is down of 35.24 kilonewton. And HB you took right side, negative came. So left side, HB equal to now minus now, how much? 3 kilonewton. This is your A here, this is B. Then up to here, extend the members, up to cut. Up to here, and then one member comes up to here. See, this way cut. XX. All outward. PAC. PBC. PBD. Okay. Distance is 2.5 meter. This distance, if requirement is there. For this member angle, 52 degrees. Okay, start. Sigma m about, this time you should decide among the three unknowns, two are meeting at B. So moment about B. Sigma m about B0, take clockwise positive, take moment about B. Plus PCA into 2.5, unknown for red color. Plus PCA into 2.5 clockwise, then this into 0, plus 42.24 also into 2.5 equal to 0. Therefore, your PCA equal to minus 42.24 kilonewton. Then sigma V0, take upward positive. PCA, P which one? PCA, this is PS, this is P, not PCA, PAC. Okay. Print mistake, PAC. Both are same, but still technically wrong. Okay, PAC. Now, sigma V0. PAC already known. Okay, right, black color, tick mark, known. So, unknown there. Plus PBD, no, direct vertical, plus PBC, sin 52, plus PAC, no resolution, PAC, plus 42.24, minus 35.24, equal to 0, equation number 1. See, here PAC is known for you. This is known, but still two unknowns are there. Okay, lastly, sigma H0, take right side positive. Minus PBC, cos 52, minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PBC. I will calculate. No cheating. What? I don't cheat anybody. Not that way. 8 divided by cos 52. Calculate is not on. 8 divided by cos 52. Minus 12.994. Minus 12.994 kilonewton. So now, PBC known, PAC known, substitute in 1, we get the value of PBD. PBC is minus 12.994 into sin 52 plus PAC is minus 42.24 minus 35.24, that's all, minus 35.24 plus 42.24 equal to 3.75. How? Something wrong. 1 minute now. It is actually how much it is? 1 minute. PBC, PAC, which one? Here you are substituting. PBD equal to how much? PBD you are not taking. PBC. PBC is minus. Okay. Minus 12.994 into sin 52 plus PAC. Oh, again minus 42.24. See, sometime small calculation mistake will spoil everything. Minus 52. Then plus 42.24 minus 35.24 equal to plus 45.479. Plus 45.479. Okay, I am not, see, no tension for me. If answer is not telling, I check immediately. Okay, over. Now, result. Axial force in AC, minus 42.24. Yes, compression, correct. BC, minus 12.994, perfectly correct. BD, 45.479, there you got 48. Okay, if you do that way, you write 48. If you do this way, write 479. Both you are not knowing. See, if you are looking above, option 1 you are not going for it. Or if you are looking below, option 2 you are not going. So only one of them. Okay, right here. Perfectly tally. What result we got by method of sections beautifully tallies with what we got by method of joint. Till the end of my teaching, it will tally. Not only here. See, this after all equilibrium, sorry, I am not insulting equilibrium. Without equilibrium, we cannot survive. After all, equilibrium is very easy. Later, see, moment distribution method, slope deflection method, Carney's method, consistent deformation method, strain energy method, one more called column energy is there, or if I do by matrix method, finite element method, and no further methods are, no, leave it. All those methods also, what will happen? 42.24, other method 42.239, other method 42.241. That's all in my class. My class, that's all. Not one method 42.24, other method 42.1. Some will tell okay, not okay in my class. I give value to mathematical concept. It is perfectly point, not something. We are helpless because a lot of approximations are there. See, 52 degrees, actually it is 52.001. That because of that one slight wobbling, that is no problem. Okay, now, so this question is ideal for a beginner, so that easy solution. Okay, now I'll continue next class. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.